Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm talking about an astronomical collision of astronomical proportions, the collision of two neutron stars. What are neutron stars? Neutron stars are incredibly dense objects that form when massive stars between 8 and 25 times the mass of our Sun die in a core-collapse supernova. Their density is so immense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh over 1 billion tons. What happens when two neutron stars collide? When two neutron stars collide, they generate incredibly powerful ripples of energy known as gravitational waves. These ripples can be detected by specialized instruments on Earth, such as LIGO. What else could happen? But what else happens when two neutron stars collide? The energy released by the collision can be strong enough to create exotic elements such as gold, platinum, and uranium. The shockwave from the collision can also trigger the formation of a new black hole or a magnetar, a star with a powerful magnetic field. So there you have it, the stunning consequences of two neutron stars colliding. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more science-filled content.